All right, folks, I'm back here with a 2024 Panini Prizm. We got 18 of the NFL rookies. Let's see what we get here. This is the No Huddle box. Panini Prizm No Huddle. NFL. See what we get here. Panini Football 2024. Maybe get something good. One exclusive rookie auto, so let's look out for that. So there's the No Huddle. Let's have a look. So there's the box. Let's begin. James Lofton, Derek Carr, DK Metcalf, Jimmy Johnson. Ooh, wow, all right. We got already starting off with a bang. Drake May from the Patriots, rookie. Not numbered, though. Ugh. Oh, something. Kelly Colorley, Trey Benson, rookie. And Andy Reid. There we go. 5/49, Andy Reid. Coach Casey, Kansas City Chiefs. I don't know what this is. You could win, Kid Reporter. A little expensive. Hopefully we get some here. Bo Jackson, Joe Mixon, Vinny Testaverde, Kurt Warner. All right. Amari Cooper, Berlin Allen rookie. Jonathan Brooks auto. There it is. It's Jonathan Brooks from the Panthers rookie auto. Not numbered. And then a Chris Johnson, that Prizm, 56/75. Got a Cooper Cup, Randy Moss, Javon Grease. Got a Marlon Humphrey. Got a Michael Penix Jr. Emergent rookie. Oh, wow. Not numbered. J.C. Lamb, Tip Raymond, and Ahmed Sauce Gardner. Karen Williams, Lawrence Taylor, Jalen Warner, Adam Thielen, Sam Laporta, Jermaine Burton, rookie, and a Blake Orman, and a blue Marshall Falk out of 1/99. Marshall Falk. Bears. Tequan Lewis, Dan Marino, Marshall Falk, Gervin Dexter Sr., Drake London, Latau, Dallas Turner, and a Bears Kenan Allen base. Pat Freiermuth, Richard Seymour, Tony Dorsett, Miles Sanders, Berlin Allen, rookie, Jeremiah Trotter Jr., and Ben Sinnott, rookie, and a Carson Steele, rookie from the Kansas City, 48 out of 99. Devontae Adams, Matt Blair, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Jimbo Colbert, DJ Moore from the Bears, Lad McConaughey, that's a nice one, though. Dijon Edwards, Edgarin Cooper, rookie, not numbered. Got a Isaiah Pacheco, Juju Smith-Schuster. Got a Terrell Owens, Myles Garrett. Ooh, we got a Fireworks rookie Drake May from the Patriots. All right. There we go. Quinnen Mitchell, Jalen McMillan, and a Levante David, 5 out of 25. Tampa Bay. All right. 5 out of 25. Right here, 2 packs left. Matthew Stafford, Kenneth Walker III, Chris Johnson, Bijan Robinson. We got a all-purpose 2014 yards of Barry Foster. Nate Wiggins. Jamin Bell. Terrion Arnold, rookie. 30 out of 49. Last pack. This is the last pack, folks. Jalen Hyatt, Levante David, Jared Goff, Montez Sweat, Keon Coleman, rookie, numbered, Tyler Newman, Joe O, and a Bradley Chubb, Dolphin, numbered? No, it's not. All right, that was your Panini Prizm Football 2024 No Huddle box break. Don't forget to subscribe. We do have one more of those coming up. See you on the flip side.